What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Chicago Auto Pros Detailing Vlog. Got a lot of stuff going on today, a lot of services that we're doing. I know we will get to the Ferrari today. This has to be out tomorrow. We're doing a full correction and then we're doing a ceramic coating on that. We're also gonna be testing out a new product called GlassParency. This is a new product that we may be adding to the list of services here at Chicago Auto Pros. Exciting stuff. Stick around for this episode of Chicago Auto Pros Detailing Vlog. All right, so we have a new product that we're gonna take a look at. I wanna show you guys. We're gonna open the box here. This is GlassParency. I found this online. They have a couple really good videos. And like any great detailing company should be doing, we explore the different products out there. We wanna see this. What really attracted me to this product was the 3-year warranty that it comes with. We're gonna open the box. This is a pro kit that I bought for this location. We're gonna test it on a few vehicles, so let's get to it. Let's open this box up, see what we got inside. That's awesome. So earlier today I talked to Heather. Heather is the main contact for GlassParency. She's the one that I'll be talking to. She kind of did a small training session on how to apply the product this morning. She's the one that I'm gonna call if I need to reorder anything. Awesome to talk to. She was very informative. Looks like we got some poster boards here that we can hang up in our lobby for marketing. Very cool. Wow, this one actually looks like has a frame around it and everything. We use a couple different glass products right now. We have C-Quartz. They have a special glass treatment for windshields, and then we use G-Technique. We actually use G-Technique most of the time on windshields. Little packet here, a lot of information, a lot of marketing information on what the product does. That's good. We got an authorized installer sticker. Put that somewhere. Information on the prep application. Excellent. Authorized installer certificate. Very cool. This comes with 15 kits. So we have 15 windshield kits, and then we have 3 total car kits. Banner. Very cool. All right, this jar is treated with GlassParency. It has a little bit of dirt in there. We're gonna mix some water in it. And this is kind of a demonstration to show what dirty water would look like on something that's treated and untreated. Let's go fill it up. All right, so a little marketing tool, I guess. This is the treated side and this is the untreated side. Cool. What else do we got in here? The maintenance formula. So it is a 3-year warranty. We fill out the warranty information online. Customer gets all the information. So this is kind of, so there's 2 parts to it, I think. There's a A part and then there's a B part. So you put the A part on and that actually is permanent. It creates a, let me show you here. Let's open one of these up, see what's inside. Grub pad, your cream cleanser. That's what you're going to clean the glass with. Important to have clean glass before you actually apply the product. That goes with anything. In the video that she showed me, step A, actually kind of, when you see glass, there's kind of, it's like hills and valleys a little bit, and what A does is fills in all those hills and valleys and makes a perfectly flat surface. It does strengthen the glass a little bit. And then your B step is your hydrophobic step. So every 4 months, you'll do a maintenance on it. And what's great about this is they can, the maintenance is free. So for the customer to be able to come in, we do the maintenance for free. You can come in, get a car wash, and we'll do the maintenance absolutely free every 3 months. You can also get the maintenance package sent directly to the customer. So the customer can do their own maintenance, and it doesn't cost them anything. You know, they'll have to just do this every 3 or 4 months, depending on how often you drive the car. But 3-year warranty, free maintenance with it. Absolutely love it. We're going to apply this to a few cars. We're going to do it to my car. We're going to do it to a couple of the employee cars. So then we can test the product. We can see after months of review, hey, this is something that we want to continue to use. This is a great product. Or we say, hey, this product is crap and we're not going to use it anymore and we're done with it. We want to test all the products out there. We want to make sure that we're providing the best products and the best services for our customers. That's why we're testing this out. I'm excited to test it out. Let's finish and open this up, and then we're going to get it on a few cars. Alright, got busy there for a minute, but now we're ready to do the test windshield on this GlassParency. We're gonna do Oscar's windshield. We see this car every day. We'll wash it once a week, and so we can be able to test this out every week and see how it's holding up to the weather conditions and everything. And it's nice too, this is a perfect time to do it. It's spring, it's April. We're gonna see a lot of spring or April showers. So we'll get the test out of it. So let's get started here. First thing that we're gonna do is clean it with this alcohol-based glass cleaner. We're gonna clean the windshield. Second step is going to be, they gave us a nice scrub pad here, this little white Scotch-Brite scrub pad. We're gonna use this cream cleanser to clean the glass, and then we'll put on the actual coating. So let's do it. End of another long day. We're making progress. We got a lot of work in here, but we did good today. Tata spent about 8 hours on the CTSV today, and if a lot of you are detailers out there, you know that 8 hours polishing black paint can suck sometimes. But I give it to him, that guy's like a machine. He just hammered through it. It's looking good. He's gonna polish it, and we're gonna protect it tomorrow. Ferrari is all done. We did all the paint correction and the coating. That one's gonna go out in the morning. Mini, we haven't started yet. Subaru in. This was in older Subaru. It was in pretty bad shape. We did what we could to it. It does look a lot better. There is a lot of gloss and shine to it now, which there was not before. So that's great. The Tesla that was in, this had some paint damage, so I don't know if it was hit or if the doors opened on another vehicle, but it was pretty badly damaged. I don't even remember which side it was on. It had a big dent right on the corner here. And this has paint protection film on the entire vehicle, so the paint protection film actually did protect the paint from chipping or cracking, but there was a massive dent right here, and this is very hard on this body line to actually fix a dent. But Dennis came out, he did a very good job. We rewrapped the whole door in paint protection film, and that looks great. GlassParency. So we put it on Oscar's windshield, and we put it on our loaner car windshield. It went on pretty easy. It was a little smeary, but most glass coatings are. It just takes a little time to make sure that you don't leave any streaks behind. I don't know how it works yet, but excited to have this car. My car's in the shop, I'm gonna put it on my car, so I'll give you guys a little bit of a review of how it's working. The thing that I was excited about is the 3-year warranty. It's great for a customer that's going to be getting this on their vehicle to know that they have a 3-year warranty on it, and they can come back, and there's actually free maintenance on it too, which is really cool. So you can come into our shop, get a wash, and we'll give you free maintenance. Or GlassParency will send the customer the maintenance packages for free so they can do it themselves at home, relatively easy just to do the maintenance. So really cool, excited to have that product in our lineup. If you're a customer and if you're looking for pricing, just give us a call. We can give you a free quote. The 67 Corvette was started. Rich and E got to work real fast this morning, taking off the handles. They took off the back here, the badge, the antenna, the back lights. All this is gonna be custom cut. They did get the doors done today, and they got the hood done. The challenging part is gonna be this whole big area. There's no way that we're gonna be doing it in one piece, so we gotta find the best place to put a seam. And we're thinking about putting the seam right on this line in the middle, but I don't really want one in the middle. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to wrap this entire top here and put a seam line right here where this natural curve is, and we think that's gonna be the best place for it where you're not gonna be able to see it. So the challenging day is gonna be tomorrow for them to wrap some of these bigger pieces. I'll be here helping them, mostly just for moral support. So Acura TSX in here. This is new. I have no clue what we're doing to it. I can see it is, I hope we're not doing paint correction to it, because that thing is disgusting. Mercedes C63. We're doing a coating maintenance. We do some wheel storage here, so we're actually gonna change out these winter wheels to the summer wheels. Otherwise, end of the day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share it with your friends. We'll see you next time.